Today on Simmer Down, we're making a creamy potato and white bean soup that you are just going to love. Last night we had a snowstorm and it is freezing here today. It's the perfect day to make a hot pot of soup and simmer down. For the ingredients, you will need a 1.5 pound bag of Yukon Gold potatoes, 1 yellow onion, 2 big cloves of garlic, 1 can of white beans. I'm using Great Northern beans, but you can use white kidney beans or navy beans. You will need dried thyme, vegetable broth, olive oil, 8 ounces of creme fraiche, and you will also need some milk. To get started, I peeled and halved all my potatoes. Then I peeled and chopped my garlic. Next, I prepared my onion. I added some olive oil to a pan on the stove over medium heat. Next, I added my garlic and onions to the pot. Let the ingredients soften over medium heat for at least 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. When your onions are soft and translucent, it's time to add the potatoes. Next, I added the dried thyme, salt, and pepper. Now it's time to add all the liquids. The 2 cups of vegetable broth, the 1/4 cup of milk, and the 1 cup of creme fraiche. Let the potatoes cook for 10 minutes uncovered until they come to a boil. Now it's time to lower the heat and add the beans. After another 15 minutes on low, it's time to blend. After blending the soup, it's ready to enjoy. I added some sour cream and some black pepper. I also added some Romano cheese. You can add whatever toppings you prefer. I hope you try and make this creamy potato and white bean soup recipe. Thank you for watching.